Assalamu alaikum dosto and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to try and understand very common words called sight words. तो sight words क्या है? Sight words are the most repeated and frequently used words in the English language. Here is a fun fact. Approximately 50% of all reading materials contain sight words. It is difficult to picture or imagine sight words, and so you should be able to recognize these sight words just by looking at them. इसीलिए हम ये अल्फाज को sight words कहते हैं. Sight words are important because not only do they provide information about sentences, but they also make sentences flow smoothly. Here is a list of common sight words. Pause the video and read over these words. Remember, to become efficient readers and good spellers, you should try and memorize these sight words. If you are interested and want to go over more sight words, refer to the Dolch sight words list. This list contains 220 of the most common sight words. The list is available on the internet. Let's look at an example of a sentence that contains sight words. Look at the garden. Look, at, and the are all sight words. This example shows how frequently sight words appear in sentences. For practice, write down a couple of sentences and try to spot the sight words. You will find many. Although sight words may seem tricky right now, there is a simple solution. Practice. You can only become familiar and good at identifying sight words with practice. So continue to practice and soon you will automatically recognize and understand sight words just by looking at them. A good way to practice is by reading stories and books. Khudafiz dosto, and see you in the next video.